Hello, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to use the reseller system in order to create Callshop accounts. So we will log into your reseller panel now, and once we are logged in, as you can see, this is your reseller account, your balance, and your base tariff is the rates that you're buying, your buy rates, the rates that we give you, and you need to create your own tariffs, your selling tariff to provide to your Callshop customers. So we will create a tariff now. Before we create the tariff, we first need to download the tariff. We need to download your rates and then add your tariff. So export separator, you'll select a comma, then you'll press export, and you will save the file to your computer. So we are downloading the buying rates to your computer right now. Okay, we will, once it's downloaded, you can open the file. As you can see, these are all the rates. So we need to add a percentage to all of these rates. So what we will do is we will select this entire column. You'll copy these rates, and then we will open another Excel file. We'll paste all these rates here, and you'll copy this, we'll paste it here, and we will do a formula. So 0.1392, we want to add 5% to this rate. So as you can see, this is block A2, so it's A2. So we'll use the formula equals A2. So the formula is A2 multiply by 1.05. 1.05 means 5%. If it's 10%, you'll put 1.010. So we'll leave it as 1.05, which is 5%. As you can see, 0.1392. If I add 5%, it will give me 0.14616. I'll double click this corner here, and all these rates will change. Now I will select the entire column. I'll copy these rates. I'll go to my other Excel file, the original. I'll press delete, and I will paste these rates. As you can see, I've transferred those selling rates to this column. I'll format these cells. I'll go to number. I'll say select 4 decimal places. That means after the dot there'll be 4 digits. Currency, I'll remove the currency. Please select none, and I'll press OK. As you can see, 0.1462, there's 4 digits after the dot. I can individually change any rates if I want to. If I do want to select, if I want to search for a destination, I press Control and F, and I can search for a destination, and I can change the rates. For example, I want 0.1800, and if I want to change all of Ghana's rates, I just have to select and drag down until all of these are changed. So now I'm going to save this rate file. I'll save it as selling. I'll save it to my desktop, and once it's saved, I'll close this file. And I'm going to create a tariff. I'm going to create a selling tariff so I can provide my Callshop customers. I'm going to name this tariff called selling. I'll press OK. And once it's created, I'll go to the selling tariff, and I'm going to import the same rate file which we've just created. I'll search for the file where I saved it to, and I'll open it and I'll import. I'm going to pause this video while the rates are being imported. Okay, the file is being uploaded. Once it's uploaded, as you can see, the selling tariff, these are the rates which we have added, and the base tariff is the rates which your buying rates. Base tariff is your buying rates, and selling is the rates which we've added 5%. I need to create another tariff, so you need to create two tariffs. The second tariff, this will be for the cabins, so we'll call it cabin. We'll press OK, and I'm going to upload the same rate file again. I'll go import, browse, and I'll selling, open, and I'll import this file. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, the file is almost uploaded. Once it's uploaded, as you can see, I have two tariffs. So base tariff is my buy rates. The selling tariff is the rates which I'm providing to my Callshop customers, and cabin tariff is the rates I'm going to add to my cabin, the booths. So now I'm going to create a Callshop client. I'll click on Callshop. I'll click on Add Client, and I'm going to name this Test Line 1, Test Line 2. I'm going to give my Callshop customer the selling rates, which is the 5% which I've added, and I'm going to create the Callshop client. And now I'm going to create the telephone lines. If a customer wants 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, so I'll go to retail clients. I'll add a client, and I'll name this line 1001, line 1001. I'll select cabin. I'll choose active. I'll click on OK. I'll create a second line. I'll name this line 002. 002. Line 002. I'll choose cabin again. I'll select active. I'll click on OK. So as you can see, I got line 1001 and line 002. I can rename it. Can rename it as 1002, 1002. So as you can see, I got 1001 and 10002. Now I need to add these lines to the Callshop. So I'll go to Callshop. I'll click on this account, and I'll click on retail. I'll add these 2 lines. I'll click on add. And I'll select the second line as well, and I'll click on add. As you can see, this Callshop will have 2 telephone booths. I'll click on OK. OK. I'll click on Callshop clients. So as you can see, this is the username and password to log into the call shop. I can rename the call shop. I can rename it as demo shop. Demo shop. I'll click on OK. I click on call shop clients. So the username and password to log into the call shop will be demo shop, and the funds is 0. I will add some funds, so I'll click on the call shop and I'll click on add payment. I'll give this customer $5. I'll click on add. Once it's added, I'll click on close. And now I'm going to log into the call shop. So you can see demo shop, username, password, demo shop. So now we'll go to the call shop login. The username is demo shop. The password is demo shop. I'll log in. Once I log in, I'll go to manage boots, and I'll activate lines 1001 and 1002. I'll click on save. I'll click on cabins again, and as you can see, here's line 1001, 1002. To configure my Linksys device, this is the username and password I will use. Under retail clients, line 1001 will be my username, and line 1001 will be the password for my Linksys, line 1, and this will be for line 2. Thank you so much for watching this demo.